In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Adobe InDesign. Once you have your text ready, select all of it by highlighting it with your cursor. If you don't see the paragraph style panel on the right side of your screen, click on the Window option at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Styles, and then click on Paragraph Styles. Once the panel opens, click on the plus icon to create a new paragraph style. Double-click on the new style you've created to open the settings. From the left side of the panel, select Bullets and Numbering. In the List Type drop-down menu, choose Bullets. You can now select the type of bullet you want. After that, click on the Add button to confirm your choice. Once you've customized your settings, click OK to apply the changes. You will now see that the bullet points have been added to your text. If you notice any unwanted bullet points in empty spaces or blank lines, you can remove them. And that's how you can add bullet points in Adobe InDesign.